Welcome to The Explainer. Okay, today we are diving into something huge, a seismic shift happening in the world of digital marketing. The old rules for getting found online are being completely rewritten by AI, and if you're not paying attention, your business could, well, basically become invisible.
All right, let's kick things off with a number, and trust me, this one should really grab your attention. 69%. It's a statistic that should probably keep every marketing manager awake at night. So what does that mean? It means that's how many Google searches now end without a single click. Yep, you heard that right. Almost 7 out of 10 of your potential customers are getting their answers from an AI feature and never even bother visiting a website. That ladder you've been climbing to the top of Google, it's disappearing right out from under you.
So this really sets the stage for our entire explainer. It all boils down to 3 things: a massive crisis, a huge opportunity, and, yes, a very real deadline. While most businesses are starting to panic, a savvy few are quietly cashing in on this change. And the window to join them? It's closing, fast.
Okay, so let's dive into section 1. We're calling it the SEO crisis is here. And we're going to look at exactly why your website traffic might be, well, vanishing.
And look, the numbers here, they don't lie. The trend is crystal clear. Gartner is predicting a 25% drop in traditional search traffic by 2026. Why? Because these AI overviews are taking over more than half of all searches. And as we just saw, nearly 70% of those searches just end right there. No click.
You know, this new reality is creating this massive divide. You've got clear winners and you've got clear losers. While many businesses are facing a 34% drop in traffic, the early adopters are seeing incredible growth. They're not fighting for scraps on a shrinking results page. They're getting recommended directly by AI and seeing their traffic from these sources more than double every single year.
All right, moving on to section 2, decoding the new AI rules. Because to win this new game, you've got to change how you think. It's time to shift from keywords to entities.
So, the new playbook? It's called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO for short. And you have to understand, this is a totally different mindset. We're not talking about climbing a list of blue links anymore. No. This is about becoming a trusted, citable source that AI assistants, like ChatGPT and Google's AI overviews, will actually recommend to their users.
And this slide, it just lays it out perfectly. It's a huge shift in thinking, right? The old way was, hey, we ranked number 3 for Accountants Manchester. The new way? ChatGPT actually recommends us for UK tax advice. The goal isn't just visibility anymore, it's validation. You want the AI to confidently say, this business is the answer. And this right here, this is the core concept. If you only take one thing away from this explainer, let it be this. It's a revolution from strings to things. Instead of just matching a string of text, AI is now trying to understand real-world things and how they're all connected. So what exactly is an entity? Think of it like this. It's your business as a real-world concept. It's not just a web page with some keywords stuffed in. It's about connecting all the dots for the AI so it understands who you are, what you do, who you do it for, and, crucially, what makes you an expert.
Now, what's really important to get is that not all AI is the same. They all value different things. ChatGPT, it loves deep, nuanced content. Google wants the facts, quick and concise. Perplexity, it's all about fresh, verifiable data. And check out that UK Advantage tip. Your local knowledge, from regulations to local business directories, is a superpower here that global competitors just can't replicate.
Okay, so that brings us to section 3, the AI-ready playbook. We've talked about the problem, now let's talk solutions. Here's a practical 90-day plan that you can use to adapt and start winning.
And this isn't just theory, okay? Let's look at a real-world case study. There's this agency in Manchester, and they were facing that big 34% traffic drop. So what they do? They followed this exact 3-step plan. They started with simple formatting changes, then they built out their authority, and finally, they created content specifically for AI to understand.
And the result? After just 90 days, get this, a 2,300% increase in traffic from AI sources. I mean, think about that. They went from just 47 visitors a month from AI to over 1,100, and they started getting actual client inquiries that they could trace directly back to AI recommendations.
And the best part is, you can start this stuff today, right now. These are simple, no-cost changes that make a real difference fast. That little too long didn't read summary at the top of a page, AI absolutely loves that.
turning your headings into questions that directly matches what people are asking. And Simple Schema helps AI categorize your info correctly. It's a no-brainer.
Okay, let's look to the future a little bit. Section 4, the coming agent economy. Because everything we've talked about so far, it's really just the beginning. This is where we'll see who the real winners and losers will be.
By 2026, this isn't going to be a search query. It's going to be a command. The key difference is the AI agent won't just give your customer a list, it's going to do the homework for them. It'll browse websites, check reviews, compare pricing, and deliver a fully vetted shortlist. If your business isn't set up for that, you won't even be in the game.
And I know this might sound like science fiction, but this future is coming way, way faster than most people think. Just look at this timeline. By 2027, that's just around the corner. Half of all B2B vendor evaluations are going to be handled by AI agents. This isn't science fiction. This is the business roadmap for the next 3 years.
And here in the UK, this chart just lays it bare. There's this huge gap between knowing what's coming and actually doing something about it. Over 80% of businesses see it coming, but more than half have done nothing. That gap, that 51%, that is the opportunity. That's your head start.
So what does this all mean for you? It's a total shift in what we're optimizing for. SEO is about being seen by people. This new world is about being understood by machines. An agent might never even load your beautiful website design, it'll just talk to your data directly. We're moving from optimizing for eyeballs to optimizing for algorithms. It's a whole new ballgame.
But for the businesses that get ready now, the prize is just enormous. We're already seeing that leads coming from these agents are converting 4.4 times higher than traditional traffic. And why is that? It's simple. The AI has already done all the legwork. It's pre-qualified the lead, checked the budget, confirmed the timeline, all before a human even gets involved.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. What do you need to do right now? Here are 3 critical actions for this week. 1. Go implement those quick wins we talked about on your top 5 pages. Do it by Friday. 2. Get your analytics set up to actually track this stuff. You can't improve what you don't measure. And 3. Start thinking about how to document your expertise so a machine can understand it.
Look, the bottom line is this. The businesses that are going to thrive are the ones who act now, while everyone else is still debating. They're the ones who see the opportunity hiding inside the crisis. This isn't a threat, it's vindication for businesses built on genuine expertise. The only question left is, which one are you going to be?